They call it a homemade slimming mix. The combination of chia and flax seeds that can naturally support abdominal care. If you're looking to adopt habits that help manage abdominal fat, this could be an interesting option. And with just one spoonful of this blend, you'll be adding fiber and nutrients to your daily routine. Including this mixture can be a good choice if your aim is to adopt practices that support overall well-being. To start our recipe, place 2 tablespoons of chia seeds and 2 tablespoons of flax seeds in a bowl. These 2 ingredients help control appetite, promoting a feeling of fullness. Next, cut a lemon in half and squeeze the juice from 1/2 into the chia and flax seed mix. The lemon may help enhance the natural properties of these ingredients. If you're interested in a specific recipe, let us know in the comments what you'd like to see in future videos. Then add 150 milliliters of almond milk and stir well. Cover and let it rest for about 3 hours. This time is important for the seeds to hydrate and form a natural gel. This mixture may support several aspects of general well-being, such as helping to balance cholesterol and triglyceride levels, appetite control, supporting healthy digestion, strengthening the immune system, contributing to cardiovascular health, improving energy and focus. After the resting time, the mixture will become thicker. Transfer it to a blender. Add another 50 milliliters of almond milk and blend well until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. This combination can be a helpful addition to healthy daily habits. The suggestion is to take 2 tablespoons at night, about half an hour before bedtime, according to your needs, and always in moderation. Don't forget to share it with a friend who's looking to include more natural foods in their diet. If you've made it this far, we'd love for you to rate this video from 0 to 10 and let us know how much you enjoyed today's recipe. Your feedback encourages us to keep creating healthy and accessible content for you. A heartfelt thank you to all the lovely people who support us and send kind messages. Our goal is to continue sharing content that promotes well-being in a simple and practical way. But remember, moderation is key. It's important to maintain balance and to know that no single food replaces a well-balanced diet and guidance from health professionals. Thank you for following this well-being tip. Take care of yourself and keep striving for a healthy life. Follow our page to stay up to date with all our recipes. See you next time. Wishing you a lovely day. Goodbye and take care.